Hi friends, we're having a 2600 watt Hyundai iron repaired today. It's in perfect working order, but the tank is cracked. It was dropped and smashed. I've already repaired it. The crack runs deep into the body. I soldered it and sealed it with super glue. After reassembling, I checked the tank and everything works fine, and it's not leaking. Unfortunately, I forgot to tighten 2 screws. I'm going to disassemble the iron again now and show you how to take it apart. Let's get started. I removed the back cover, then unscrew the wire holder. There are 2 screws there. You can unscrew one screw completely and the other only halfway. This will be enough to remove the wire. I've freed the wires and now they're out of the way. Next, there are 4 screws at the bottom that need to be unscrewed. I've unscrewed all the screws in the back, and now let's move to the center of the iron. You need to remove the plastic temperature control in the middle. Use a spatula to pry it up, and it will pop out. Next, look closely at the thin red plastic. You need to remove it, and the spring under the thread needs to be removed as well, making sure not to lose it. Set it aside. Now unscrew the 2 screws on top. We go to the front part and open the cover, then unscrew the screw. This screw is long. Then you need to remove the 2 buttons located on top. To remove them, use a spudger to release the latch and then pull the button upward. As you can see, there are 2 latches here, and the main one is the largest. Now remove the second button. You also need to open the rear latch first, then the front one. Next, there's another long screw. Unscrew it. I'll take out this screw now. Here it is. Let's remove it. Next, remove the nozzle that sprays the water. This rubber band has now fallen out of this place. Next, unscrew the 2 screws and the black handle comes off. Next, you need to disconnect the hose. But first you need to remove the plastic ring. I use tweezers for this. To remove it, pull the ring away from you. After removing the ring, you can use a spudger to remove the tube. Next, I unscrew 2 screws. I screwed these 2 screws in incorrectly. They should hold the black handle. I will assemble it correctly later. Next, there are 2 screws in the front and 1 long screw that is different from the others. This screw comes with a gasket. Don't lose it. I'll show you it now. It's long and has fine threads. And here's the gasket. I'll put it on the screw right away so I don't lose it. Next, remove the black plastic. Next, remove the 2 pumps. Be careful, there are small pieces of tubing at the bottom. Remove them and attach them directly to the pump. They may get stuck in the iron body. Remove the second pump in the same way, also paying attention to the tubing. Then you can remove the tank. Here's what it looks like from the inside. Let me show you how I restored it. I soldered the crack and then applied 2 layers of super glue, which should keep the tank from leaking. You can test the tank by pouring water in and checking for leaks. I've already done that. So all I have to do is reassemble the iron in reverse order and tighten the 2 screws I forgot last time. Here I forgot to tighten 2 screws. Let's tighten them. I hope the video was helpful. Subscribe and like. See you soon. Bye.